Tip number 6. Prepare your own food as much as possible. While more and more restaurants are offering low-carb friendly menu items, many of them are still not ideal low-carb fare. There are many recipes for quick and easy meals that you can prepare yourself at home. Try to do this as often as possible. If you cook your own foods, you know exactly what the contents are and you will be able to better control for hidden sugar and otherwise processed foods. Tip number 7. Invest in a good set of food storage containers. Having food storage containers of various sizes on hand will make it so much easier for you to plan your meals and snacks. When you buy nuts, fruits and vegetables in bulk, you can simply prepare, separate and store them for easy use later. For instance, you can pre-slice your apples and snack on them over several days. Simply cut them, rinse them in pineapple or lemon juice and store. This will make a quick and easy snack for later. Fix your lunch and take it with you to work. Better yet, fix your lunch and 2 snacks for work. Tip number 8. Eat some protein at each meal and as a snack. Protein is made up mainly of amino acids, which are harder for your body to break down, so you burn more calories getting rid of them. Just think, eating a protein-rich snack can help you lose weight. How about a few slices of turkey or ham or some string cheese? Eating protein will also help you feel full so that you are less likely to crave unhealthy snacks. Tip number 9. Drink a glass of water after each snack. This will help you get in your 8 to 10 glasses of water each day, but it can also have other benefits. Ever feel hungry after eating a handful or standard serving of nuts? Try drinking water afterwards. The water will help you feel full and prevent overindulgence. Drinking water after a snack will also help remove the aftertaste from your mouth and can help curb your desire for more. Tip number 10. Eat slowly and enjoy your food. You will feel full and more satisfied if you take the time to savor your food and chew it slower. Don't get in the habit of eating while standing or eating quickly. Sit down and chew. Eating slower will help you enjoy your food more. Pay attention to what it is you are actually eating and get a better sense of when you are actually full. Thank you for watching the video. Click the I button to watch the first part of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.